No contact is often touted as the ultimate strategy to make an ex regret losing you. But what if I told you that no contact is actually weak? It's reactive, not proactive. It puts your emotions in her hands instead of putting you in control. Instead, you need to master the psychology of reverse attraction, a powerful blend of Stoicism, self-mastery, and strategic coldness. This isn't about games. It's about becoming a man of such value that she can't ignore you. If you're ready to stop waiting and start winning, pay close attention. Number 1. The dark psychology of reverse attraction. Most men believe that pulling away will automatically make a woman chase them. But the truth is, if she doesn't see your value, your silence means nothing. Women are wired to seek the best possible partner. This isn't manipulation, it's human nature. She must feel like she's losing something irreplaceable for regret to set in. And that's where reverse attraction comes in. Instead of hoping she comes back, you must become the man she can't replace. How? Stop seeking validation. If you're constantly waiting for her to text first, you've already lost. Control your emotions. If she sees that you're unaffected, she'll question her decision. Create an aura of scarcity. A man who is truly valuable is never waiting around. Number 2. Rebuilding your value. Leveling up beyond recognition. Here's the brutal truth. She left because she thought she could do better. The most powerful move you can make is to prove her wrong, not through words but through transformation. Your focus now is to become a version of yourself that is so disciplined, successful, and desirable that she realizes she made a mistake. Key areas to level up. Physical. Hit the gym, upgrade your style, and carry yourself with confidence. Mental. Read, grow, and develop unshakable Stoic resilience. Social. Expand your network, meet new women, and show that you are in demand. Financial. Chase your goals and become self-sufficient. Power is attractive. The best revenge is massive success. Number 3. Strategic coldness. Not no contact, but indifference. Silence is weak. Indifference is powerful. Most men use no contact as a desperate attempt to get her back. She can sense that. Instead, what shakes a woman to her core is a man who truly doesn't care anymore. Strategic coldness means not reacting to her breadcrumbs. If she texts, don't jump for joy. Staying composed in public. If you see her, be calm and collected, living your life without hesitation. When she realizes you're thriving without her, she'll start questioning everything. A woman values what she fears losing. Make her feel like she already lost you. Number 4. The art of making her chase you. A woman doesn't want a man she has to remind to be strong. She wants a man she has to chase. Here's how to shift the power dynamic. Be unpredictable. If she expects you to react, don't. Keep her guessing. Increase your social proof. Women are drawn to men that others desire. Master your purpose. A man consumed by his mission is far more attractive than one consumed by her. When you make yourself the prize, she will chase you. Number 5. The power of walking away and meaning it. This is the hardest but most crucial step. If she doesn't see your value, walk away. Forever. Nothing shakes a woman more than a man who has the strength to leave and never look back. Walking away isn't a trick. If you're hoping she'll chase, you haven't truly walked away. Gives you your power back. You're no longer waiting. You're choosing. Forces her to decide. If she wants you, she will make an effort. If she doesn't, she was never yours to begin with. Number 6. The silent revenge. Winning without saying a word. Stoics never seek revenge. They become better. Your best revenge isn't proving her wrong. It's becoming so untouchable that she can't access you anymore. Do not block her. Let her see you winning. Do not post for her. Live for yourself. Do not look back. If she left, she made her choice. You make yours. When you rise above, she will feel the loss. Number 7. Be the man she can never replace. The ultimate goal isn't to win her back. It's to become the best version of yourself. A woman may leave a man, but she will never forget a man who had unshakable confidence, lived with purpose and discipline, never begged or chased, was truly irreplaceable. In the end, she will regret losing you, not because you tricked her, but because you outgrew her. Play the long game and win. No contact is weak. Becoming a man of power is strong. By mastering reverse attraction, self-improvement, and true indifference, you shift the balance of power in your favor. She will notice, she will feel the loss, but by the time she does, you won't even care anymore. And that, my friend, is the true power. If you're serious about self-mastery, subscribe for more Stoic wisdom.